BMW's X6 and X4 pioneered a new sub-segment of sport utilities designed with coupe-like styling, created for people who are willing to sacrifice a little usefulness for a dose of fetching flavor. Well, BMW has now revealed the second-generation X4, due in dealer showrooms this summer with a starting MSRP in the low 50s for the 30i model and low 60s for the racier M40i. The 2019 X4 has been engineered to deliver a sportier drive courtesy of wider tracks, a lower center of gravity, and reimagined suspension, which also aims to deliver a high degree of ride comfort. An increase of approximately 3 inches in length and 1.5 inches in width better frame the coupe-style roofline, now featuring a much larger, standard panoramic glass moonroof. Sports seats and 19-inch wheels are standard. The xDrive 30i model produces 248 horsepower via a twin-scroll turbo 4-cylinder, enabling a 0-60 time of 6 seconds, while the M Performance model comes with an inline 6-cylinder engine, making 355 horsepower, cutting that time to 4.6 seconds. The M40i adds a Sport Plus mode and launch control to its 8-speed automatic transmission, as well as numerous other mechanical enhancements to its Go Faster arsenal. BMW says the X4's weight has been substantially reduced through the greater use of aluminum in the body structure. The latest version of xDrive all-wheel drive is also lighter and more efficient, rear-biased for a sportier driving experience. Inside, a large 10-plus-inch touchscreen delivers the most current iteration of iDrive infotainment, while the X4 is also updated with BMW's latest driving assistance features, including Traffic Jam Assistant for semi-automated driving capability. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammes.